Hi guys, welcome to Piping, Welding, and DT channel. I will show you how to check for this booklet of piping support, special support, and specification of piping support for this two booklets. I will show you how to check for this booklet, and I have isometric drawing here. So they have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 isometric drawing. Okay, and let's start. Okay, for this isometric drawing, they have how many supports? So this is 1. So this is the symbol of support. Okay, this 2 line here, and 2. So there are 2 support. Okay, so this is a simple how to check the support drawing in the support details. Okay, now so this is the specification for, we will check here for this specification of piping support. So the details for this isometric drawing is this arrow. So check this arrow. There are 2 support. They are S20 and S19. So this S19 is S007 and S063 for the S20. Okay, now we will check for this support details. So the S20 and S19. So this is by numbering. For this number 1, this one S001. So we will check for another pages S19 and more page here. So this is S15. Okay, so this is it. So they are S19. So we have support here. Isometric is S019. So this is S19. Okay, so S19. So this is the details for the S19. This is and then in the details of a S19, this is adjustable fixed anchor pipe support on straight pipe. So this is adjustable fixed anchor pipe support on the straight pipe. So this is the details from S19. So this is adjustable. They have elevation. This is details elevation, plate detail, mounting on steel, and mounting on concrete. So for these details, they are so this support name S19. Okay, and nominal size 2 inch and height is 600. Okay, so for this S19, they have S007 1R 360 100-S. So for the support size, pipe size of this pipe size is only, this is 312 pipe, SS 316, size is 16 inches. Okay, so this is the S19 support detail. Okay, so next there are two support here. So this is, next is S20 and S20 S063 A6. So we will adjust the pages here. So this is the S20. S020, this is a removable pipe support, base pipe support with the slide guide. Okay, this is the slide guide here. This is the details of S20. This is the slide guide and the plate, which is adjustable plate. Okay, so that is how to check for this booklet of piping support. So we will check another support here. So there are here have our S9 and this is S9 and S8. So we will check here also. We will adjust for backward. S8, okay, S8, S8, S8. This is the S09. Okay, S009. S9 and S8. This is S001 and S001 and S044. So we will check here the S001, first page here. So this is it, S001. So this is the details of the S001. Okay, for the S001, standard support, simple support guide, and general details. So this is it. This is the S001 support details. And you can check here also the table here. They have a table 2. Okay, table 7, and they have a type here. So meaning R is rest only, G rest, H rest, plus guide with hold down, L rest plus guide plan. Okay. And another support here is S044 and the S9. S044, so we will adjust here the S044 details here. Okay, that is very simple how to check the support. Also support details here. So this is S048. This is S040. See that, S044. So this is the type of support installed in the side. Okay, and here the general details, the dimension, and also what the steel that you can use it. And they have, we will check another isometric drawing here. So this is another drawing. Okay, this is for the special support. We will use this special support here because this is the number of support here. 601, 601A, okay, 601. So we will check here for the, we will not see for the here for this support detail. So we will check here the special, for the special support. Okay, so this is 601A. so this is our support here, arrowing from this flange. Okay, all arrow this support from this flange. So meaning for this flange they have a support there. Okay, so we will check this 601. 601A. So they have some, okay. So this is a general, they have also general notes here, material, weld clearance, fabrication erection, okay. Let's try to see this 601. So this is it. This is the support there. This is the support type here. So this is the, we will check again the support detail. See that? This one. 601AA 0S9 SS01. So this is the support number here, 601AA SS01. So this is the support details you can install in this flange. So this is support from the flange and also from the 5. Okay, welded from the flange and welded from the 5, and also this one. Okay, this is the details drawing here and the dimension. Okay, so this is very simple to check for this support details. So I have some read from your comment. You said that you want a PDF copy for this support details, so I will give you this PDF. Just comment, more comment and sharing for my video, and like my video, okay, and I will give you, and I will send it to you the PDF for this special support and specification. Okay, just comment it and share it my video for another benefits of our pipe fitter. Okay, so thank you so much guys, and thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.